pony. So this is the purple yellow and the gray yellow and the green yellow and the red yellow and the blue yellow.
Wow, let me take a look at that. That's so beautiful. So you have the purple, you have the gray, you have the green, you have the red, and you have the blue. Good job, baby. And what is this?
A Hot Wheel truck.
So this right here is a Hot Wheel truck.
This is a Hot Wheel truck.
Good job.
Wow.
How many cars do you have?
I have gray and purple and green.
No, how many cars do you have?
I have 1, 2, 3.
How many cars do you have?
I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Good job. You have 5 cars. Good job. Plus the Hot Wheel truck. How many cars do you have?
I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
How many cars do you have?
I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Good job. So you have 6 cars. Good job. Can you open and show us what you have in the little pony?
Yes, so this is my pony.
Can you open and show us what you have?
Yes.
Oh, she's unboxing the little pony. Whoa, let's see what you have. Whoa.
Wow.
Wow. Okay. Wow, let's see what you have. I'm so excited. Whoa.
Wow.
Whoa.
Have Rainbow Dash. Wow.
Wow, let's see what you have. What is this?
Rainbow Dash.
Rainbow Dash?
Yes.
Wow, that's a beautiful Rainbow Dash. That's a beautiful surprise. So guys, this came out of her little pony. This is so beautiful. Wow, let's see what else you have. What is this?
A popcorn, and this is a heart.
What is this?
This is a heart.
Wow. Okay. And what do you have in your hands?
Paper.
Are those stickers?
No, they're not stickers. They're paper.
Okay.
Look,
That's a collection of things that you can have, you can get in the little pony. I think we should buy more of the little pony. What do you think?
Yeah, that would be a good idea.
That's a good idea.
Yeah.
Good. Wow. Good job. Good job.
Let's go back.
Whoa. Wow, so this is where it goes. The heart goes in here. That's so beautiful. Let's see it one more time before we leave. Whoa.
And she goes in here, so I have to open this and
So where does she go?
here. Look.
Wow.
So I'm gonna put it here, close it, and then voila, you're
Wow,
good to go.
let me see that. Wow. That's so cute. Wow, that's so beautiful. So she goes in there. That's her house?
Yeah.
Wow, I love this. This is so beautiful.
Thank you for watching, guys. We hope you enjoy our video. Don't forget to share and subscribe for more videos. Bye. May God bless you. Have a beautiful, great day in the mighty name of Jesus. May God bless you. We love you.
Amen. Bye.
Bye.